Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to knit this beautiful and very interesting, very good looking knitting stitch pattern. So this pattern you can use in ladies sweater, jeans sweater, for summer tops, for vest, for jumper, for tunic, for baby's blanket, for shawls. See what a beautiful looks of this pattern. This is very easy and very pretty pattern. This is very easy and very pretty pattern. So it looks so nice and wonderful. This is our front side view of the pattern, and this is our wrong side view of the pattern. It looks same on both sides. It is very gorgeous pattern, very charming pattern. For jumper and shawls, blanket. So in order to make this pattern, you will need to cast on multiples of 2, or you will knit or you cast on any even numbers. So, and this is only 2 rows repeat pattern. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notification on my new videos. So let's see. So friends, I cast on 16 stitches on my knitting needles for a sample, and you cast on as many stitches as you want. So let's knit. So this is our row 1 right side. So this is our first row of the pattern, and this is only 2 rows repeat pattern. So we slip edge stitch and we make yarn over purlwise. We make yarn over purlwise and we purl 2 together. We purl 2 together. So that's the repeat. Now we repeat it to the end of the row. We make yarn over purlwise and we purl 2 together. We make yarn over and 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 purl 2 together. And we knit each stitch. So friends, this way I have completed row 1, and now we will knit row 2 on the wrong side, and as row 1. So we slip edge stitch and we make yarn over and we purl 2 together. Make yarn over, purl 2 together. Make yarn over, purl 2 together. We make yarn over, purl 2 together. Make yarn over, purl 2 together. So this way we will knit all rows. And we purl edge stitch. So I have completed. And you repeat these 2 rows over and over again according to your desired length. So friends, I hope you will like the pattern, and if you like the pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all the best in knitting and have a good day.